Just a quick tip on how to cut high pressure laminate tops with a plunge cut saw. Very importantly, you want to start cutting on the bullnose side and exit to the back. If you do it the other way around, you can very easily chip the bullnose when the blade exits. Okay, so I just want to mark where I want to place my track, the size that I want to cut. There we go. A nice smooth cut.